Assalamualaikum dear students. Once again welcome back to Khura Education System online classes. It's your English lecturer and I am your English teacher Anam. Our today's topic is past indefinite active voice passive voice. We have already discussed present indefinite active voice passive voice. Today we are going to discuss past indefinite active voice passive voice. Everything is so simple. We just have to change helping verbs. Each and everything will be as same as present indefinite tense. First of all, we will learn about the definition, which is about the voices. Voice is a form of verb which shows whether the subject of a sentence performs an action or receives an action. It is all about subject. Is it performing an action or is it receiving an action? I will explain it later. So first we will understand how to make past indefinite active voice passive voice. Okay. First we will learn how to make active. You are well aware how to make active of past indefinite tense. First will come subject, then second form of verb, and in the last will come object. We don't use any helping verb over here. So the example for that is Ali ate an apple. Ali is a subject. Its second form of verb of eat an apple is object. When we are making passive subject, our object will become our subject, which is an apple over here. So subject, after that we will use helping verb. For past, we always use, when we are making past indefinite tense, we will use helping verb was and were. Was and were. Then we will add third form of verb by plus doer. Example for that is an apple. It was subject or it was object in our previous example when it was active sentence. In passive, it will become subject. We added helping verb which was, and eaten is third form of eat, ate, eaten. By Ali, it was our subject. Ali was our subject. We added by Ali to show that we are making passive of it. More useful information or things to remember is that I have already explained you that to make passive we need third form of verb. To make passive we need third form of verb with was and were in past indefinite. In present we need is rm and in past we need was were. And in active we use second form of verb and in passive we use third form of verb. I already explained that. Active, in active we are using second form of verb and in passive we are using third form of verb. I will clear it more with the help of few examples. They killed the enemies. They killed the enemies. Enemies over here is object. Here it will become, when we are making passive, it will become subject. They, third person, it will become, they will become them, by them. Okay. Killed is already, it is second form of kill is killed and third form of kill is also killed. Were killed. The enemies here plural, were we use for plural, were killed by them. The enemies were killed by them. One more example, he wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Subject, verb, object. Now our object will become subject. So very good. Here comes a letter. Good. Then we will use our subject. It will become object over here and we will write he. For a third person of he will become him. By him. Okay. Write. Second form wrote and third form is very good. It's written. Third form is written. Was written. He wrote a letter. A letter was written by him. To make it more understandable for you is a car knocked down the child. A car knocked down the child. The child will come as a subject. Was knocked down by a car. Okay. Second example. The people gave a grand welcome to the president. The president, which is object over here, will become the president was given. Give, gave, given a grand welcome by the people. For today, if you have any query, you can contact us on our given information over here. This is our address, and this is our address. You can send message us, and you can call us. This is our email address. Okay, and our website also. You can also check our YouTube channel, and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And this is our Facebook page. Like, subscribe, and share our page also. Thank you so much for giving me your time. Take care. Allah Hafiz.